Amazon has said that that gives a bump in conversion rates of 10%, which is not insignificant. Like that's a big old bump to when somebody arrives at your product details page, like this product details page, 10% more people will purchase your product, which is significant if you've got A+ content. The only way you get A+ content, of course, is if you've got brand registry. Brand registry, it goes without saying, hopefully, that it's, I think, very difficult to do Amazon now without being brand registered, and also because of the crazy advantage you get, not just with A+ content, but a whole raft of other cool shit that now gives you access to as well. Yeah, so this is a cool idea that I saw. It only works if you're selling multiple products. Okay, so this is the start of the A+ content. Very, very cool. I'm not that jazzed about what they've done with their A+ content, but I thought this idea here was fantastic. I really like the way they've done that. And just so you know, we can image a new tab. That's the images that they've used. So it kind of references and uses one of the A+ modules to then add that in, say, hey, get those too. And I thought, oh, that's a really genius idea. And then I actually purchased this product late last week. And I saw, this is on Amazon in Spain, which is where in Portugal, everything ships out of Amazon Spain if you're Prime. And so in Portugal, everybody has Prime membership on this site. Anyway, so I saw this as well. And I thought, oh, they've used a kind of similar idea too. And so I really, really like that. And it's just a very, very simple thing. And I don't know how on earth that's okay. But so far, I've seen it heaps now. It seems to be okay. So if you've got multiple products that you're selling in related kind of things, where you can be upselling and cross-selling, etc., this is a really cool way of doing it. I really like that. I think it's a very creative way of approaching what they're actually doing. And look, their stuff doesn't at all follow. Like that's a suede kit for suede shoes, and then they're also selling like booties for shoes. They're selling plant pots, RFID wallets, and all sorts of other shit. So the way they've used it is not great, but I like the way that these have used it, because it's like, okay, well, there's the upsell there, there's the upsell there, the dishwash brush, blah blah blah. My wife just ordered one of these. Super, super cool. So very, very simple, very, very quick, but I really like that. I thought that was a really unique way of getting additional traffic to your related listings from an A+ content. I thought it was a neat way of doing things. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.